model, 2012 Peugeot Expert Dispatch 1000 L1h1 Professional Hdi long MOT runs and drives. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 177768. MOT, the 4th of December 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 UC. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys, aircon. EU status.